Hello guys, today I'm going to teach about coded inequality. It's a part of reasoning. This subject is very important to banking, SSC, railways and upcoming state level examinations like SIs and constables. So let's enter into this chapter, coded inequalities. In this chapter we have the only problems with these symbols only. It may be the given with alphabets, with numbers or any else, but we have to find the relationship between in these symbols only, like greater than, less than equal to, greater than or equal to, and equal to. Suppose if I say that a is greater than b, its symbol shown as a greater than b, means this symbol greater. If I say a is less than b, we can be supposed to shown as this symbol, means less than or small. Okay, yes, equal to a equal to b, yes. And it is also be as a greater than b. At the same time, it can be shown as a less than b. Yes or no? If I wrote this b greater than c, similarly, it also written as c less than b. Yes, this is the rule. How to keep into the mind. Okay, and there are different models and the way of asking questions, statement and conclusions. Here options are there: one follows, two follows, one and two follows, none follows, either, either nor, either nor. This is the models. This is the we supposed to learn this. See, model 1. Suppose it can be written as a greater than b, less than c, greater than d, greater than e. And in conclusion, it is given that question a less than c, d greater than e. So we have to find the relationship is correct or not. See here a and here c, so have to match the relationship, but here there must be two symbols. Remember that if there is opposite symbols like greater than, less than, or less than, greater than, here there is no relationship exist. Please remember this. Same here, here greater than, here less than, so it will not show any relationship, so first statement is wrong. Second, here d greater than e, yes, d greater than e, correct, so 2 follows. Okay, means this. Second problem, a less than b less than c less than d greater than e less than f. See here one more point we should learn that firstly in this, see, less than is less than or equal to, not just a less symbol. Here, note again one point we should remember: if a symbols like less than, the appearer symbol like less than only. Remember, if the symbol less than or equal to less than, then also less than only. Here less than. Now it will be appear as less than or equal to. Please see this point very carefully, and this area only many people are doing mistake. And if the symbol appears greater than or equal to, greater than, here greater than, next also greater than, so it appears greater than. Yes, it's a point, simple and easy to remember. Okay, see this. Here what is given? A less than C. In between A and C, B is there, so we least bothered that. A less than or equal to, whatever it may be, only less than only. We already seen in this case. Yes, same. So whatever the case it given, it is true. And here what is given? B less than or equal to D, means B here, D is here, less than or equal to, means the result came less than or equal to only, not less than. Okay, so 2, both 1 2 follows. Yes, this is the main point we supposed to learn all this. Next, this model, second model. The problem like A greater than B, B less than C, C greater than D, and it's given that so this model we supposed to learn. So in this model, last number or it may be alphabet, it is no rule to give only alphabets in coded inequalities. It may be sometime like this also: 1 greater than 2, 2 greater less than 3, and 3 greater than 4, like this. So there is no rule to give like this, alphabets only. So here the ending digit is B, and the next statement is starting with the same alphabet, and the ending of the second statement, the letter C. Here the starting is letter C in third statement, so here it can be written as same only, A greater, no need to change. In next model there is a changing of variables due to changing of the symbols. So here what is given? A greater than C, D less than C. See here, A less than C, sorry, A greater than C. Here what is given? A, B, same. So A greater than, less than, opposite symbols. If you see opposite symbols directly into mark, no need to think about this. Okay, here D less than C given, here C greater than D. Can it write that D less than C? Yes, so 2. So therefore 2 follows. Simple. So if the problem is it is like this, and see here equal to symbol is there. Please observe carefully. In this scenario, many people there is a chance to keep wrong options by confusing is equal to symbol. My advice is, please write by mixing up two variables by giving equal to symbol. See, like this: A equal to B, B greater than D, D less than E, E greater than or equal to F. Like we frame a sentence like this unless you habituate this. So here first F less than or equal to E. Here yes. Here E greater than or equal to F. But it also like F less than or equal to E. Shall we write this? Yes, 100%. So statement 1 is this. Next, D less than A. Just now I told that means A equal to B means A, B are equal. So simply write as AB means D. Here A is like this. So we can write D less than A because B and A are equal now. So like this. So 1, 2 follows. Simple and easy. Yes. Third model. Suppose the question be like A less than B and C less than B and C greater than D, and here see here the variables of last and first is totally changed. In previously the variables are same, first, last and second statement of first, both are the same. Please look on to this. Yes, no, here see that here B is there and here B like this. Is it same or different? different. Okay, so it is a duty to change this, like a less than b, b greater than c, yes or no, and c, here we need not to change, greater than d. Simple. Now solving is same, a greater than d. Here a is there, we have to see like this not be seen because totally change. A greater than d means less than, greater than. So false first statement. Second, d greater than c, d less than c in the statement, so it is false. D greater than c is correct, but here d less than c it seems, so both 1 2 not follows. Yes, right, like this. Next, model 4, pairs. So in this, either or concept, so either or concept, previously we can see that 1 follows, 2 follows, both follows, and fourth one doesn't follow. Fifth category is either or concept. The questions be like, see, see like this. Okay, first statement, we suppose like this, a less than equal to second statement to see this is the statement. If you find this same alphabets like a, here a, e, same alphabets in two statements, simply mark as either or option. Yes, simple, there is no concept is there. Okay, simple, and no, there is no other like doing this, finding, no relationship. Suppose it may be in statement 1 it's shown as a equal to d, in 2 d then a, d d a. If you find anything like this, blindly mark as either or option, either or option. It may be option 5, option 4, please verify. In the practice section it will be like 1 2 follows, both, none, either or. In examination it may be change the pattern. So either or concept, please search carefully. If the variables which is appear in second statement, both like a equal to d and b. This is not either or concept, please don't follow this. The both symbols, sorry, both alphabets, yes, if the two alphabets are there, so in this case only we keep the option like one, either, two, follows. Yes, in this case only we keep either or follows option. Thank you.